Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I'm in Stockholm, Sweden, and in this video we're going to do a full body stretch program from the top to the bottom. 12 different moves in approximately 7 minutes altogether. We have 12 reps on each move. I'm a qualified personal trainer and fitness instructor, and normally I send from the UK. But today and for 1 more week I'm going to be in Stockholm, Östermalm. Awesome. Let's start now. So we start with the arm swings. And you can start with slowly like this, and then we make big moves back like this. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then forward the same way. We do a warm up to warm up our muscle and joints, soften them before we hit the hip sessions. Okay, let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Now, open up your chest and then press forward. You engage your tummy and your bottom when doing this. Open up, press forward. So you will feel it stretch in your lower back and in your shoulders. Let's start. 1, 2, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now hip rotation to warm up the hip joints. So we're going 12 to the right and then 12 to the left. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we have the knees, the same thing there. Go to the right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This one, semi-squatting, is the only one you do 50 counts on, okay? I will count to 10 5 times. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of these is to help the knees, especially if you're going to start running or jumping or anything like that after. Now alternating legs. So we go forward and then stretch out, okay? And when you're doing this one in a stretch, you don't bend down. This is not a weight training, it's a stretch training. So try to have your leg as straight out back as possible, and then take your heel down if you can, and then lean forward. You will have a marvelous stretch on your side, okay? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now alternate legs, and then we swing it up. You use your heels, your bottom, and you lift up your leg and you lean in. 12 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. That was that one. 90-degree hip. Okay, hold on to something, and then we're going to go back and then forward. 12 times on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Stay with me. 7. You need to use the tummy muscle to get the leg up. It opens up the hip joints. It warms up the hips. Okay. Let's say there is 11. And then one last one. Okay, marvelous. Now change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Windmill. So you stand it wider and hip width apart, almost like shoulder width apart, any bit wider. And then we bend down, and then we take opposite hand to opposite foot. Just be careful if you have a bit of a low blood pressure, okay? Let's go down now. 12. 1, 2, 3. Tuck in your tummy. Engage everything. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, squat with arm swing. You squat down, like sitting down on a chair, okay? So you're squatting down. Try to have your body, upper body, as right up as possible, okay? And then you have a ball, imaginary, on the side. You're shoving it to the side. Let's start now. 12 altogether. There will be 6 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. The last one. So take your knee into your chest and just hold that for a couple of seconds. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And then you change. And if you need to hold on to something, please do so. Just hold it, you stand straight up with your back. Tuck in your tummy, squeeze everything, and we just swap here. Oh, apparently, I'm a bit wobbly there. So if you see, you take in your leg into your chest as much as possible, and you hold it. And if you are like me, maybe one leg will be steadier than the other. Absolutely fine. Just get some support. Okay? That was it. 7-minute warm up. And now you are ready to hit any workout, cardio or hit session that you would like. You are warmed up from the top to the bottom. See you very soon. Thank you for tuning in. And please subscribe, and please like, and please share. Lots of love to you all, and take care. See you tomorrow. And also, I have, straight after this one, done a hit session for you. Same day, straight after. So if you'd like to do a hit session, also 7 minutes, 12 moves. Please go and check that out. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye.